Hey guys, what's up? How are you doing? And welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing great. I'm doing awesome. And I hope you're watching my content. If you haven't, what the hell, yeah? Go watch it. And please subscribe, please like, please comment. You know the drill. I'm not going to bore you. Today I'm going to talk about something which is super critical when it comes to makeup. If you don't get that right, everything goes wrong. Okay? I'm talking about foundations for brown skin. Now, for brown skin especially, it is very tricky to find the right shades, and a lot of brands don't have our shades. But today I'm going to recommend top five foundations that you need in your kitty, and if you have them, you are done for life. Okay, you don't need to hoard so many foundation, guys. Khatam hi nahi hote hain, and we waste a lot of money. So I'm here to tell you what really works for my skin type and worth every penny. Okay, the first I'm going to talk about is Giorgio Armani. Okay, this is how the foundation looks like. It is called Luminous Silk Foundation. It is beautiful, guys. It is so beautiful, and a lot of celebrities also use it. A lot of makeup artists use it. I've also heard, like, Deepika Padukone use it. This is something that you need very little, and it just kind of works very well. See, it just blends beautifully, and it is very skin like, guys. It just blends so beautifully. It is so skin like. You won't feel that you're wearing too much foundation. So something that you can really invest your money in and you won't regret it. I promise you won't regret it. Okay, this is my number one recommendation, guys. My shade is 6.5, so you can try that. That's my first recommendation. So if you get this foundation, please go buy. Don't think, buy. Okay. Number two recommendation that I have is NARS. Now NARS, when it came to India, I really wanted to try all the shades. I was a huge fan of NARS, no doubt about it. But I really wanted to kind of try all the shades before I buy one, because finding our shade is difficult. Okay. So here is what I would recommend. This is the second one, my favorite. I use it so often. It is so lightweight, and of course buildable, but it's very skin like finish. Okay, and again, you need very less of product. Let me try it on the other hand and show you. That's all you need, guys. Very less product. And this one also works very beautifully for all weather, my skin type. And it has so many shades, guys. Like, you can, I'm sure you will find your shade in NARS. Like, और कहीं मिले ना मिले, पर यहाँ तो मिल ही जाएगा. Okay, see, it blends so beautiful, so skin like. I love this one. My shade is Barcelona, guys. If you want to go give it a try, please give it a try. It's available on Sephora. It's available on Shoppers Stop. The third recommendation I have is a Dior foundation. It is called Forever Skin Glow. Again, it is beautiful. It really makes your skin glow, as the name suggests. And again, very lightweight. Like, if you are somebody who likes skin like finish foundation, like, you're wearing something but not wearing something, for those no makeup looks, this one works beautifully. Now this is in the shade 4W. I actually don't regret buying any Dior products. I love all Dior products. I wish I had the money to buy them all. I would have done that. But if there's one foundation that you need to invest in, is Dior foundation. A lot of Hollywood guys also use this. The fourth recommendation I have is a Charlotte Tilbury foundation. Now this one is basically called Airbrush for Flawless Foundation. Now I like this foundation especially for the days when you want to kind of go on a really big event, like, you have a wedding, you have engagement, or you really have big office party where you want to kind of really hide most of your flaws and don't want to kind of put only skin like, foundation. This one is a great option at that point. It's not an everyday foundation, but it is the right foundation for the big events, and hence I would recommend it at that time. I'm also wearing it, guys. This is how it looks like. So yeah, this is something that you can also buy and try. if you like it. The fifth one that I have is a woman who understands brown skin like nobody else does. Okay, this is Rihanna. Okay, and I'm so glad now we can order from India, because I was so desperate to kind of just travel abroad to grab my hands on everything that Rihanna kind of brings on the table. And I was so upset. I was like, shit, I wished they were in India. And thankfully, Nykaa has kind of got them to India and we can order product. But this is their foundation. It is called Pro Filter Soft Matte Foundation. My shade is 300. Again, it blends beautifully. In fact, Rihanna herself tells you to use your fingers. It is almost like, putting a cream on your face. It is that beautiful. So this is one that I can use on everyday basis if I want to, and I won't feel that I've put anything on my skin. Again, not too expensive, great like product. Only thing I felt was the packaging, the bottle. I just felt this one is little sasta, but it breaks easily. But otherwise, overall, the packaging is okay. I think she's not like thought too much about the packaging. She's kept it really simple, because I think the product is also very simple to use. Now this one is my fifth recommendation, guide. It is very, very, very good. Please, please, please go try if you haven't done that. Okay. These are my 5 recommendation. I have multiple of foundations and I've gone through that journey, and I realized I don't need so many, because one, the bottles, obviously they don't get over, and second, everything comes at a cost. So finally, I realized that I need those 5 foundations for life. Unless something really breakthrough happens in foundation, I think I'm going to stick to these. Okay. Your Maybellines, your L'Oreals, beautiful ones, amazing. If you want an affordable range one, those are the ones which are really, really good. You can try them on. But these are my 5 go-to foundation depending on the occasion and what mood I'm in. Let me know if you like it. I also have another video that I've done on foundation, which kind of really details out each foundation and how it looks on your skin. So if you want to kind of dig deeper into it, you can watch that video. I will put the link up here. And let me know how you like it. Bye-bye. See you. Love you.